Happy Halloween! Happy Halloween!
I'm gonna get this.
Watch out for the haunted creatures stalking in the night.
We got these pigs again. I got like 3 of these pigs. I'm gonna try to sell 2 of them. I got the cowboy in. They don't have everything. There's like things that turn their heads, like skeleton animals, and they don't have yet. Like, is that an armadillo? Ever seen a skeleton armadillo before? We got these guys.
You can't run away from me.
What are these, Jimmy? Probably. They're neat.
Or I'm gonna get you.
This thing's not that big, actually. Like, if he goes on sale, I might get him. They got these. I want these, but I don't know if they put the bugs. Got this.
Have you come for a treat? Or for a trick?
Small. God, there's more of these. I want to keep an eye. I really like this. This is neat. I'm afraid of where it goes. I like the Wanted Spirit. Yeah, I'm just gonna get that.